AI is everywhere. From chatbots to creative tools, it's changing the way we work, learn, and communicate. But here's the thing. Most people don't know how to talk to AI. I kept seeing people, young and old, getting frustrated. They'd say, "This thing doesn't work." But the truth is, the AI is only as good as the prompt you give it. And that's when it hit me. What if I could make it simple? What if I could teach everyday people, no tech background required, how to prompt AI the right way? That's why I started Simple AI Life. It's a space for beginners of all ages to learn how to speak the language of AI, clearly, confidently, and creatively. Whether you're a student, a parent, a business owner, or just someone curious about AI, Simple AI Life is here to help you unlock its potential. I break it down step by step. No jargon, no assumptions. Just real, practical guidance on how to prompt your AI tools to get the results you want. AI isn't just for coders or techies, it's for you. And learning how to prompt well? That's your key to making AI work for you, not the other way around. Grab your free Top 10 AI Prompts Guide and access free prompt training at my Stand store linked in the description. You can also join our community for exclusive Q&A sessions, tools, and 25 advanced AI prompt guides, which are perfect for those who want to go deeper and get real results. Let's make AI simple together. Welcome to Simple AI Life.